Usap-usapan at pinag-uusapan, pinagkakaguluhan, mga idol, ang pangalan ni Kuya Oliver ng Kuloong. Ayan guys, ating bisitahin at ating tikman ang pagkain ni Kuya Oliver, kung totoo nga po na masarap daw at overload pares ang pinakadabis pala dyan. So tara, samahan nyo ako mga idol, tikman natin yan. Ito yung pares overload nila, 130 lang ang halaga ha. Ang rice niya na. Tara guys, kain na. Ito na nga mga idol. My God, hindi mo kaya ubusin ang isang overload. 130 pesos ang halaga. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang pampagana. Oh shit. Ay nako. Muntik na tayo doon ah.
Sana all. Sana all. Ginagawa mo.
You serious?
Gago!
Ginagawa mo. Sana all.
Kuya Oliver, pares overload. Ayan. Ayan ha. Oh, saan ka ngayon, Diwata? Panis ka ngayon. Nandito kami.
Sana all.
Ayan. Aha. At naghanap na ako guys ng mapaparkingan. At tamang-tama, sakto ang paglabas ni Kuya at itinuro kami na doon daw. Doon na lang po. Ayan mga idol, nilipat ko ang motor ko patungo doon sa tinuro ni Kuya parking. Actually, di tayo kilala ni Kuya Oliver, pero malamang mamumukhaan tayo ngayon. Ayan siya oh. Malamang nakikilala niya tayo mga idol.
Chef, paluto siyang yepo.
Bukas yung kanina niya isa.
Nagawa ko pang magbiro kay ate.
Ano niluto mo?
Kahit pagod na,
Sumakot yepo.
siya. Wow, masarap ba?
Sana all.
Joke lang. Siyempre naman daw, masarap yan. Kuya Oliver,
Hi, sir.
balita ako masarap daw dito.
Ay, ganda mo. Boss Bernard. Opo.
At ito na nga mga idol, nakilala pala tayo ni Kuya Oliver. Ayan, naghanap na ako ng mauupuan. Kaya lang ay umaambon nung time na yan.
Ito yung menu nila, so mamimili tayo.
Kaya nagpasya ako na lumipat ng upuan mga idol. Bumalik tayo mga idol upang tanungin kung ano ang menu or nasaan ang menu mga idol. Eto na nga, hindi nagtagal at nakipagkulitan pa si Kuya Oliver sa akin.
Ito ba yung ano nyo? Sir Bernard, kamusta?
Okay lang, ayos naman.
Pasya tayong lumipat dahil maulan.
Eto na mga idol, swak na swak, saktong sakto. Inupuan ko na. Huwag na natin patagalin, baka tirahin pa ng iba.
Oh my God!
At sa unang tingin at unang subo ko mga idol, grabe, hanap-hanapin mo ang lasa. Swak na swak ang lasa mga idol, pangmasa. Ayan na, ginagawa mo? Haha, maya ka naman. Ayan na, minikos-mikos na ang pagkain. Pati ang sauce, hinalo na natin. Sa sobrang excited at gutom sa pagkain ni Kuya Oliver. Pagsama-samahin natin to para magkaisa na ang lasa.
Sana all.
Galing ha? Halos di mo kaya ubusin yung isang serve sa'yo. Sinubukan mo humingi ng under rice. Halos di ko rin maubos. Stop na.
Are you serious?
Try natin. Dahan-dahan lang.
Masisira ang buhay mo.
Trinay kong balikan mga idol dahil sayang, nangihinayang ako.
Dahan-dahan pero binilisan mo.
Sana all.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Feels like a magnet. Lose all count till I'm dead in the casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Grabe Kuya.
Never gonna look
Kuya
back.
Oliver. Pwede. O doon, halos di ko maubos.
Dalawang
tao ba? Run na tayo, picture na tayo. Sige ba?
Anong pala?
No, may shoutout na tayo eh.
Never be the same. What it takes.
Dito sa Kuya Oliver, kulong to sa bandang gitna. Okay, Kuya Oliver.
Hi.
Kalapitan ko rin.
Sana
Thank you,
all.
Kuya Oliver.
I'ma do all the winning, I do what's right. Push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, been bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. From picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Hanggang sa muli, pagbabalik. Eto guys, sundan nyo lang tong tinatahak namin palabas na. Kasi i-videohin natin hanggang palabas to. Kanina kasi hindi tayo naka-video, so ngayon pabalik ay naka-video tayo.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I ain't
Ito, pag diniretso mo to guys, papuntang Mabulo. Pag kumanan ka, papuntang Pulo to. Yan. Sunod lang tayo dito sa kotse.
right pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Tumabi tayo. May dumaan na emergency. Buhay ng tao yan guys.
Galing ha?
Go, 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 go.
Ito ang iglesia dito sa Pasolo kanan.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Ito naman guys ang G. Lazaro, palabas ng Dalandanan.
Never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 low, you still go. Go, go slow, you still go. Go, there's no hope, you still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ayan, ito yung stoplight. So pwedeng kumaliwa kayo papuntang Malanday. Ang pakanan naman guys ay papuntang Monumento. Kung nanggaling kayo sa kay Kuya Oliver, ito stoplight. Alright. So hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Bye.